Hello happy people! For today's video, gagawa po tayo ng avocado breakfast sandwich. So, lutuin na natin itong itlog at pagkatapos ay i-toast natin ang ating bread. Wheat bread pala po ito. And then, after po natin siya ma-toast, i-assemble na po natin ang avocado. Let's sprinkle with a dash of furikake. Egg and a little bit of pepper. So that's it. Meron pang kamatis at pepino. Yan ang aking breakfast. Avocado breakfast sandwich for today's video. Salamat po. Thank you for watching, Eurobon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello happy people! For today